This alone prevents your day from spiraling out of control like it normally would. What's going on, family? It's your man, Jeff Kilgore, back again. You already know how we do it. Business and mind all intertwined. Now, today, we're going to talk about the number one key phrase that can unlock your manifestation. You ready? Come on, let's talk about it. Now, as always, you know how I do. I'm going to get right into it. The number one key phrase that can unlock your manifestation is this. What is the key phrase? No, I had it somewhere. Okay. All right. Jeez. So serious. Anyway, the number one key phrase that can unlock your manifestation is everything is happening exactly how it's supposed to. I'll say it again. Everything is happening exactly how it's supposed to. Now, pretty easy to make this statement when everything is going pretty good. I mean, everything is going how you envisioned it. Your relationship is fine. On the job, everything is going okay. Your kids are acting good. I mean, things are going pretty good. Everything is okay. And it's kind of easy to say everything is going exactly how it should. But what about when things are not going so good? Things ain't going quite how you envision them, and it ain't smelling like roses right now. At that point, can you say everything is going exactly the way it's supposed to go? Because most of us, we don't think like that. Most of the time when things aren't going how we envision them or the way we want them to go, something is wrong, something is off, and it's somebody else's fault. That's the key. We're always wanting it to be somebody else's fault or some circumstance's fault. It's because of this or it's because of that. And if she wouldn't have done that, then this wouldn't have happened. If he wouldn't be so this, that wouldn't happen. If you can allow yourself to understand this one simple concept, you can literally change your life. Everything is happening exactly the way it's supposed to. You think it's an accident that you are watching this video on this particular topic. And it's not because I'm special. It's because you attracted it into your life. You attracted this. It's no accident that you're watching this right now. And if you attracted it, then that means that you're ready for it. So the universe put this in your path because you're ready to receive it. So I'm going to let you know that everything is happening exactly the way it should. Even all the failures, all the mistakes, all the hiccups, all the things that didn't go right happened exactly the way it was supposed to happen, because now you're going to be able to look back. You're going to be able to learn from it. You gain experience from it. It's going to enhance your testimony when you tell how far you came. The things that you went through are going to be able to help someone else. When you go back and tell your story, you're going to help someone who's going through the exact same thing. It's happening exactly the way it's supposed to. It may not feel good right now, and a lot of times it doesn't. But if you can shift this one thing in your mind, if you can shift your mind to when something goes wrong, when something is not working in your favor, if you can train yourself to the belief that says, you know what, it's going exactly the way it should. This alone will restructure that current negative vibration that's going on when that negative thing happens. And so this alone prevents your day from spiraling out of control like it normally would. This alone prevents you from having one negative thing after another negative thing, and one bad thing turning into another bad thing. And next thing you know, you're snapping at people and don't really understand why. It's just the kind of mood you're in today. This will prevent that. Once you understand that, you know what, this is happening exactly the way it's supposed to happen. And also, there's probably something, there's a really good chance that there's something that I can gain from this, that I can learn from this, that I can benefit from in this situation. When you implement this belief into your life in those particular situations, you cut negativity off at the knees. The buck stops right there because you don't allow it to grow. You don't give it wings and let it fly for the rest of your day. You cut it off at the knees. Now, the more that you do this, the more that you'll be able to, the more strength you'll get in that particular category, and the less negative things show up in your life. This is how you literally change your life, because when you have less negativity, all of a sudden things are going better. All of a sudden your mind is clearer. All of a sudden you're getting ideas for things that can help you to prosper. You're getting ideas for things that can help your family to prosper. You're getting ideas that are going to help you better yourself, which is going to attract your soulmate. All of these things happen when there's less negativity in your life. But if you allow them to fester, and you allow them to build up, and you allow them to stack one on top of the other, then you don't have a clear mind. You don't have that clear vision that allows you to better yourself. And so if you cut it off at the knees, then you can get what you need to become the best version of you, at least for that day. And if you stack up day after day after day of becoming the best version of yourself, then that's exactly what happens. You become the best version of yourself. Your confidence rises. Your self-esteem goes through the roof. It shows in your walk. It shows how you talk to people. It just shows how you look. People are saying, you're glowing. What's going on with you? You're cutting negativity off at the knees. You're not allowing it to fester into your life anymore. And this is literally how you change your life and unlock your manifestations, because now there's nothing blocking them. Now you aren't blocking yourself. You're no longer working against yourself. You're allowing yourself to understand, okay, what is, what's happened has happened, but it's working in my favor. It's part of the process. This was supposed to happen so that I can get to where I'm supposed to go. Did you get any value out of that? I hope you did. And you know how I say, if you did, squeeze that like button. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, all that good stuff, especially subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can get every video that I upload. I'm committed to upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this year, so I don't miss a beat. And you don't miss a beat, and we can keep each other in check, right? If you still rocking with me at this point, you already know. I appreciate you. Let's go.